Good morning dear students. So this is your English grammar and today we are going to start new chapter, chapter 21 and or. So today we will learn the use of and. Okay. Children, look at these pictures. Ria, Reena. So children, we can write their name like this. Ria and Reena. So and means or, Ria or Reena, Ria and Reena. Now let's see another picture. A cat, a kitten. So we can write a cat and a kitten. So children, and is a joining word. It joins two words and two groups of words. And children, now look here. Number one, there is two sentences. Nikki is sitting. Nikki is eating. Nikki is the name of a girl. Nikki बैठी है और वह कुछ खा रही है. She is eating. Nikki is eating. So children, now with the help of and we will join these two sentences. See, Nikki is sitting and eating. Okay. So here we will write and. And children, there is no need to write name Nikki's again. Okay. Nikki is sitting and eating. That's all. So children, here word and is used to join two sentences. Okay. So children, and is used to join the names of two people, place, things and animals. Okay. So open page 71. We will do the exercise A to learn more about the use of.
So children, let us begin chapter 21 and or. Let's get started. Read this poem. An elephant walked like this and that. He is very tall and he is very fat. He's got no fingers and he's got no toes, but oh my God, what a long, long nose. So children, did you see how we use and in this poem? And children, and we use to join the groups of words. About the elephant, like children, you can see he is very tall and he is very fat. So these are the group of the words. So first we will learn the use of and. And is a joining word. It. Why? Because it joins word or groups of words. Like children, Meena, Radha and Riya. So, it is used to join names of two people, things, places, animals or doing words. So, and we use to join names of two people, things, places and animals or doing words. Doing words means children like jump, read, write, eat. These are the doing words. Now we have some examples. Kavita and Kangna are sisters. Name of people. So now you can see, children, here we will use and to join the name of two people. We need pen and paper to write. So here we will use and. Here we will use and to join two things, okay? London and Paris are big cities. So here we will use and to join two places. I like cats and dogs. Here we will use and to join two animals. The girl laughed and cried in joy. So children, laughed and cried are the doing words. So here we will use and to join doing words. And is also used to join two sentences. So, for example, Amit is in class 1. Rohit is in class 2. So, with the help of the and, word and, we will join these two sentences. Okay? So, how we will do? Let's see. Amit is in class 1 and we will add and between the sentences. Rohit is in class 2. So, I hope you understood. Now, next page. Students, now we will do exercise A. Join each pair of sentences using and. So, children, with the use of word and, we will join two sentences. Okay. Number 1, Rani is my friend, Sheila is my friend. So here we will write Rani and Sheila are. Here we will write are, because here we are talking about more than one person. So here we will write are, my friends. Number 2, Rani is 4 years old. Sheila is 5 years old. So here we will write Rani is 4 years old and Sheila is 5 years old. The number 3, Rani speaks Hindi, Sheila speaks Tamil. So Tamil is a language, okay? So here we will write Rani, Rani, Speaks, speaks, Hindi, Hindi, and Shella, Sheila, Speaks, speaks, Tamil, Tamil. So here we will write and. Number 4, we live in the same building. We play together. So here we will write WEV, LIVE, live, INNTH, the, SAME, same, BUIL, DING, building, and AND, PLAY, play, TOGETHER, together. Play together. So children, next, number 5, we go to school together. We study together. Together means ek saath. So here we will write V, WEV, go, TO2, SCHOOL, school, TOGETHER, together, and STUDY, study, TOGHTER, together. So children, we will not write again, okay? Number 6, we play indoor games, we play outdoor game. So here we will write V, W-E-V, P-L-A-Y, play, I-N-A-D-O-O-R, indoor, G-A-M-E-S, games, and O-U-T-D-O-O-R, outdoor, G-A-M-E-S, games. So here we will write and. We play, we will not write again. Number 7, we go to the park every day. We play there. So here we will write W-E-V-G-O, go, T-O-2, T-H-E, the, P-A-R-K, park, E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day. And P-L-A-Y, play, T-H-E-R-E, there, play there. So we will not write again. Next, number 8. We share our toys. We share our story books. So children, here we will write W-E-V-S-H-A-R-E, share, O-U-R-R-T-O-Y-S, twice, and S-T-O-R-Y, story, B-O-O-K-S, books, story books. So this we have done, children. You also write down in your textbook and learn it. So what you have learned today, children? Yes, today we learn the use of word and. It is a joining word. We use to join two sentences. So, or we will do in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless you.